Okay, we're gonna do a startup on the DB X29 X Pro that we received from powersportsmax.com. My daughter was supposed to be doing this part, but she's being a butthead, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, let's tip this up a little. First we'll make sure there's even some braking oil in there. Alright. From what I understand, you're supposed to run like a quarter of a tank with this braking oil, and then you change it out for fresh oil. So that's the way we're going to do it. Oops. Okay, what did I do with the gas can?